Hi viewers, welcome back to Siri Algorithms YouTube channel. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. In previous video, I explained the different ways to open the Jupyter notebook. In this video, I am going to show you what options are there and how to develop the program in the environment. Okay, let's walk through with me. Let me open the Jupyter file. Please wait. Okay, in previous video already I created the folder in desktop. So go to desktop and take the folder name is Siri Algorithms. Just click on the Siri Algorithms and the file was test.ipynb. So just click on here. Now you can see this, we can call it as a cell. You can develop the program here. Maybe I am going to write a small program into the cell. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 2. You can go to print of the sum value is A plus B. If you want to execute the code, press Ctrl Enter. You can see the output. Maybe if you want to write a new program, take a new cell. So just by pressing Shift Enter. So I don't want to write the code again, just I'm simply copying the code. And maybe this time I'm going for the product. So multiplication. So the product value is, you can give like a multiplication here. Now you can see the product value is 20. If you want to add cells, just by pressing Shift Enter. How many cells if you want, you can add it by simply pressing the Shift Enter. Now we will see the options here. Go to File, and if you want to open a new Python file, you can just click the Python 3. The new file will be opened and it is going to save on your path. So the file was opened. This is the new file and where it saved in the directory of Siri Algorithms. So next we can see maybe if you want to open the existing file, then go to open and you can take the file. And if it is in the root folder, then go to root folder and you can open it. So right now I'm going back to my current Siri Algorithms. This is the way you can browse it. Next we will see the options. Make a copy. If you want to copy this file, just simply click make a copy. It is going to create a duplicate of your file. You can see it here. And save as. If you want, you can save it. Control S also you can save it. And rename. Save and checkpoint. If you want to see, you can checkpoint time. You can see a few seconds ago it was saved. And revert to your checkpoint. You can see this file was created at Friday 15 September 2023 1:6. And if you want to see the print preview of this file, just click the print preview. You can see it looks like this. Next, you can see if you want to download this file, we have options. If you want, you can do the HTML format. You can go to PDF format, .py format, PDF via HTML. You have the several options. And if you want to close the Jupyter notebook, you can close it here. Next, we will see the edit. If you want to cut any cell, just click this one. First select the cell, which cell you want to cut it. First I am selecting the cell here and go to edit, cut cells. And you can see the copy cells. Maybe I want to copy this cell information, this code. Just select this cell, go to edit, copy cells, and where you want to paste it. Maybe I want to paste above this cell. First select the cell. After that choose the option where you want to paste cells above or paste cells below. I'm going to paste the above cells, or I want to paste the cells below. You can see. Next option, maybe if you want to replace, already the existing program is this one, addition. Maybe in place of addition I want to replace the multiplication program. Just first copy this program, go to edit, copy cells, where you want to replace it. Select that cell and go to paste cells and replace it. This is the way you can. Delete cells. Maybe I don't want this cell. You can directly go to edit and delete cells. Maybe sometimes mistakenly we deleted one of the cell and you want to get it back, then go to edit and undo delete cells. And if you want to split the cell, that means you can see here I have a code. I want to split this line into the next cell. First select the which line from where you want to split it. After that go to edit and split cell. Okay. Now if you want to merge it, which cell you want to merge? Maybe I want to merge again these two cells. Just first select the cell, go to edit and merge cells above. If you want to merge with the below cell, go to edit and merge cells below. Next, move cells up. If you want to move towards to the upside or downwards or upward, directly go to edit. You can do it from here, or you can see the simple, you use the arrows. Just press the arrow, you can move upward if you use downward. Okay. Next, you can see the view. Toggle header, that means this one. You can see the last checkpoint and file name. If you don't want to see that one, just toggle toolbar. If you want to have the toggle header, just click again. Toolbar, if you don't want to see this toolbar, just go to toggle toolbar. Edit and hide it. Line numbers, you can see the line numbers in the cell. If you don't want the line numbers, just toggle line numbers. If you want the line numbers, go to toggle line numbers. Now cell toolbar here, this is format. Next you can see the insert. Maybe if you enter the shift enter, it is going to add the cell into the bottom. But a particular area above this, I selected this cell and I want to add a new cell above or maybe below. Then go to insert and check the insert cell above. Maybe if you want to insert the cell below, first select the cell, then you can go to insert cell below. And come to cell. If you want to run all the cells, just click the run all. All cells program get executed. Next, run cells are selected below. Maybe I want to run only the below cells, not the top ones. Just go to run cells and select it below. Select below. Yeah, guys. Next option, cell. Come to cell and you can see run cells. So first select the cell, after run. Just click on the run cell. The output is 12. Either you can go to cell and use the option run cells, or directly you can go to control enter. That way also you can execute it. Next, run cells and select below. So you can just click this one, automatically the program get executed and it move on to the next cell. Next, run cells and insert below. So if you want to run this cell, and you want to insert a new cell under after executing the program. If you want to insert a new cell, you can see this. Next, run all cells. If you want to run it, go to run all and run all above. Maybe I want to run only the above cells, then you can go to run all above. If I want to run only the below cells, then you can go to cell run all below. Next, cell type. You can see the cell type here. When I am selecting the cell, you can see this is automatically it is code. Maybe if you want to write some heading, then maybe first I am going to insert one cell above, and you can see write the hash here, and maybe introduction. This is just like a heading. Go to heading. You can see defaultly it is going to come like a level 2 heading. Say OK, and you can see it here. Just control enter. This is your heading. Maybe if you want to reduce the font size, just take one more hash. You can see the size was reduced. If you want to reduce more the font size, you can do this. This is the way. And when I select this cell, you can see it is a markdown. So it is not a code. Maybe if you want to write some description and maybe some text, if you want to write it, you can write like a bullet point wise. If you want to write, this is addition program written, maybe you can type something, new program is product something. So bullet point wise, if you want to see the information, this is addition program, new program is product. So something, if you want to write like a bullet point wise, go to select the markdown and you can see control enter, bullet point wise. If you don't want the bullet point wise, number wise, if you want to give like numbers, then you can give it as a 1, second point is this one, control enter. Now if you don't want any changes, as it is the original format only, if you want, then go to raw NB convert. You can take this. It will be as it is, the original format. Now we are going to see the other options. Cell type is this one. When you select the cell, automatically whether it is a code or markdown or RB convert. Next, cell we can go to current output. Maybe if you want to hide your output, only you want to see the developing code, then you can go to current output clear. Then you can see output is not there. Maybe if you want to, we have one more option here. Now I am going to execute this one. If you want to see the output, again you need to execute the program. If you don't execute it, you are not able to see the output. But we have one option is there. You can go to current output toggle. Just hide. If you just click here, you can see the output. No need of execution. Next, if you don't want to show all the outputs, you can clear it. All outputs clear. You can see there is no outputs here. If you want to run all, if you select the run all, you can see all cells get executed and you can see the output. Next, kernel. If you want to interrupt the kernel, just click here. Either you can go to kernel and interrupt it, or you can see directly you can press it here, interrupting kernel. If you want to restart the kernel, go to here and restart it. And next restart and clear output. So it is going to restart the kernel and it remove all the outputs. You can see no outputs. Next restart run on, shut down if you want, change kernel, but here you can see right now I don't have any kernels, only Python 3 only there, that's why. If you have the kernels, if you running any other kernels, directly you can select it. And you can see the help. If you want to see the keyboard shortcuts, just open it and see it. Maybe if you want to customize it, then go to edit keyboard shortcuts, and if you want you can edit it here. The shortcuts you can write it. And if you want to use the reference, any library references, if you want, go to NumPy reference and it is going to open the browser and you can see it here, the page. And if you want lower versions also, you can take it here. Yeah, you can see the user guide on API references, development, release notes, everything is there. This is the reference document. And you can see the shortcuts directly. If you want to see the save and checkpoints, click this one. And if you want to add the new cell, you can just use the press symbol here. And if you want to cut the cell, just use the scissor. And if you want to copy selected cells, directly, no need to go like a edit and copy the cells, directly you can use the shortcut. And this you can see paste cells below and arrows moving upward or downward, and run all cells, you can run cells, and you can interrupt the kernel, refresh it. You can see that do you want to restart the kernel, you can go to restart it. And this is like a what type of cell it is. The IPYNB file was created. If you want to open the Jupyter file, don't double click on it. If you want, you can see this one. So my IPYNB file, it is in desktop in Siri algorithms directory. Now you can see the test.ipynb. If I try to double click on it, it won't work. Please don't try to open the Jupyter file on double click. If you want to open that file, first open the environment, open the Jupyter notebook, from the environment you can open it, the file. So where you saved the file, select the path. It is in Siri algorithms, test.ipynb. Just click here. This is the way to open the Jupyter file. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. In next video, I am going to explain the Google Colab, and we will see what are the similarities between the Jupyter notebook and the Google Colab, and what are the major differences. That part I will explain in the next video. See you next video. Thank you all.